Let me start solving problem number 5. Okay. See, the average age of 3 sisters is 15. If the ages of 2 sisters are 12 years and 15 years, the age of the third sister is. That is what we need to find out. Let us check out here. The average. This is the problem of average, right? It is a simple one. See, we know that average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation, right? Now they have given the average, how much? That is 3 sisters is 15, right? So which is nothing but sum of the age divided by number of sisters. Number of sisters is 3, so therefore sum of 3 sisters, sum of the ages of 3 sisters is 15 into 3, which is going to be 45 years. Now they have given the ages of 2 sisters, that is first sister is 12 years and second sister is 15 years. Add these two, you are going to get 27 years, correct? Now age of third sister, right? Third sister is equal to sum of their ages, that is going to be 45, minus sum of other 2 sisters, that is 15 plus 12, that is 27. If you subtract, you are going to get this. 5 minus 7 is not possible. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 18 years. The option here is C. If you add 18 plus 12 plus 15, you are going to get 45 years, right? The answer here 18 years.